Hello guys, welcome to Technolung Reviews. Today, I will review Texta AI, the #1 WordPress blog automation, article writer, and auto-blogging tool. Here, you can effortlessly generate and auto-publish SEO-optimized articles to your WordPress blog. It is an alternative to AI, Jasper, and WordPress. It is also best for entrepreneur-curious, marketers, and small businesses. And you can integrate it into Shopify, WordPress, and Zapier. Moreover, you will get unlimited total words per month. You will find its lifetime deal at just $69 at Appsumo. If you need an extra 10% discount, please watch the full video. When I am reviewing, it shows a whopping 401 reviews, and the count is increasing. If we look at the review section, we can see that almost all the reviews are good. This means that Texta AI is a quality AI writing tool. Now, let's jump into the website of the Texta AI tool. Here, you can one-click posting, custom scheduling, and high-quality automatic content. It will improve your SEO rankings with smart linking. Its uTool has smart internal linking and timely external linking features. With its content creation with keyword research feature, you will get popular and useful keyword suggestions. Texta AI will add suitable images or videos with the right descriptions in your content. Here, you will get all those features. Check them. Now, let's explore the dashboard of Texta AI. Here, you will find 99 plus different templates categorized in different sections, such as Writer Tool, Sales Copy, and so on. Here, I will explore Blog Post. And first, I will start with the description option. Now, you need to first describe the main idea of your content, like Persian cat maintenance tips. Next, select any option from Article Type. I select Curated. In tone, you will find different options. I select Informal. Then, you will find Creativity Level. You can increase or decrease the level. In Target Audience, you need to write about your target audience. I write blog readers. Now, click Generate and wait for the content. Let's check this. Wow, it is great. It comes with images, table of contents, YouTube videos, and so on. In right side, there is blog post overall score, content structure, etc. You can write meta title and description with it. Just impressive. I never found this type of complete content yet from any AI content writer. In the upper right, you will see the publish option. You can save it, download it, or publish your content in WordPress or Webflow directly. Let's explore the keyword option now. In the keyword box, write something about your keyword like Bengal cat care. Then click search. Now, select keywords from the list of keywords. You can add custom keywords too like this. The next options are the same as the previous ones. Now, generate content. Here's the content. It looks great. With competitor, you can find competitors' keywords and write content with it. Put the competitor website link in the box, then search for keywords. Then select the keyword and generate content. Here's the content. It looks great. Now, we will explore social media writing. There are different options. Let's check Tweet Machine. Here, write about the tweet in the box, like funny black cat. Then, select your preferred tone from different options. I select this. Then select Style options. Here I choose Creative. Now click Create and wait. Here's your tweet. It is impressive. In the left menu, you will see Home, Writing Assistant, Letter Generator, Content Writer version 2, Content Writer version 3, Automation, and Projects. Writing Assistant is like ChatGPT, where you can ask what you want, and it will reply to it. With a letter generator, you can generate letters. The process of writing with both version 2 and 3 is the same. The version 3 is always better, so write with it. We already discussed the writing process previously. Now we will explore automation. Here, you can write bulk content. So, click Blog Automation. Now, fill up the form, like blog name, Technolung. Now, we need to do keyword research. Click on Add Keyword, and then research keywords, such as SEO tips. Now, select between 15 to 60 keywords from the list. Here are the examples of the article titles based on your keywords. Then, select Image Source. You can select stock images or generate images with AI. Next is language. It supports 31 plus languages. I select English. Now we will explore Create Integration. In Add New Integration, give the website URL. Add website admin, username, or email. Now give the application password. You can add Yoast or Rank Math SEO integration with the help of this guide. Now click Create to create a new site integration. Next, you will find blog setting. Quantity can be 1 and frequency can be every day. The status option will be active. You will find improved readability too. Next is the content planner. With it, you can schedule your content date. Now, click Submit to end the process, and it will write and publish one content every day with your schedule. In the Projects section, you will find your previous projects. So, it is a complete review with a step-by-step tutorial on Texta AI. If you follow this video, you will not need any tutorials to use this amazing AI writing tool. If you need this complete automated AI writing tool, then you can buy its lifetime deal from Appsumo at just $69. I repeat again that it comes with unlimited words, so grab it now. I give the lifetime deal link in the description of the video. Just go to the link and purchase it if you really need it. It is an affiliate link. If you purchase from this link, I will get a small percentage, and you will get a 10% discount also. Moreover, if you really like this video, please subscribe us and give us a like. And for more information, please visit www.technolung.com.